What is up, you guys? It is your boy PrettyBoyFloyd here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a curly hair routine. Now, I haven't done one of these in a minute, and it's just because honestly I haven't really been paying that much attention to my curly hair. I don't know why I said it so slow like that. That probably took a whole 10 seconds to say. So yeah, I haven't really been experimenting around with like different products with my hair. Honestly, since I fucking said it, I really need to like do it. What's really been like holding me back, I guess, from like trying new products is because like I'm so used to budget friendly products like Cantu and Cantu. Now I guess after I just like said that, I'm starting to notice, well, like there are a lot of products out there that aren't, you know, over $20 that are still in that budget friendly like range that I haven't really explored. And I promise next curly hair routine I'm gonna try out some new products, and I'm gonna try out some new products for you guys so that you guys can like, you know, see if there's a difference in my hair's texture and the definition of my curls and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this Aussie Conditioner, and I'm just going to leave that in my hair for about 15 or 20 minutes. The reason why I leave it in for 15 or 20 minutes is because I usually do everything in a shower, including my curly hair routine. So I'm doing this for you guys. So you guys better like this video. Okay, that was, yeah, I don't want to threaten y'all to like the video, but honestly, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and show me that you guys really enjoyed this video, and it really helps your boy out too when you give this video a thumbs up. After I put in the conditioner, I will wash it out, and then after I wash it out, I will use the Garnier leave-in conditioner. So after I put in the leave-in conditioner, I'll put in the Cantu curl cream, and I'll work that through my hair. Now I know this is some shit that you guys have already seen, but this next product right here is a Garnier serum. So a serum also makes the shine in my hair last longer. So like at the end of the day, my hair isn't dry. So yeah, so a serum is a new product that I have been incorporating into my routine, and I think I'm definitely going to keep it in there. But after that bottle is done, again, I'm going to try out some new serums for you guys. So yeah. So after the serum, I'm going to put in the Cantu Custard. Again, this really adds hold and shine. Now, it doesn't add as much hold as a gel, and that's the reason why I still incorporate a gel after the custard. I find that the custard really does, again, add that shine and helps with the shine of my hair and making it look moisturized throughout the day. So this is a new gel that I'm using. It is the Garnier gel. Again, I have a lot of products that I'm using from Garnier, but so this is the last thing that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Garnier curl shaper gel. I don't necessarily know if I like this, honestly. I like the Cantu a little bit more. I mean, not the Cantu, the fucking I like the Eco Style a little bit more, but I don't know what the fuck is going on with Eco Styler. There was this whole thing going on about Eco Styler causing diseases and shit, and making people's hair fall out and shit. And honestly, y'all need to bring that shit back, because that was my shit, and now I can't find it anymore. So depending on if I want to wear my hair down, the gel will be the last step. So like 80% of the time, I'm going to be wearing my hair up if you see me. So when I wear it up in a bun, of course, I'll take a hair tie, and I will tie my hair up. But the added detail that I really like to do is I like to use this Got2b Gel, and I will put the gel on my hair, and I will brush my hair like up, like to create like this wave pattern to my hair. It's a really small detail, but it really makes a big difference. Again, it adds that shine, but it also adds that wavy texture to my hair that I really, really like. And I feel like it really adds to the man bun style. I'll also take the toothbrush, and I'll also brush down my sides too, kind of like that line that it gives. So I really like want to make that apparent, or like I really want to make that like visible, and I just really want to make that a part of like my hairstyle. It's like that line, that divider between the bun and like my cut sides. I don't know, I'm probably taking it too far. So that's the end of the video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below of some of your favorite curly hair products or some products that you guys want me to try out. I really want to hear like which products to try out, because yeah, like I said, your boy needs to start experimenting more. So if you guys have any new products or any products that you guys have tried and has worked really well for you, I guess maybe $10, maybe $15. Like I said, I don't want to break the bank, but so yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Peace.